You go say don't do.
Hey, we don't do our exercise. Yeah, me.
Anyway. Hey, one maybe. Good evening, welcome on top of the live show. My name is Nedu and Katim, and easy to do sit down. Hey, yeah, Jesus, I need water. To make sure, say, your evening go sweet.
I don't know how people like Derenle they do them.
They really down now.
In a machine.
Na machine.
Derenle supposed to do in multivite. Derenle multivite.
Take 2 tablets of Derenle, and your life will never remain the same. Alright? Take 2 tablets of Beverly, and your life will never remain the same. Anyway, we'll get full house today. Craze people.
On craze people.
Yellow papa. I just said I'll feel bleach. If she bleach, I like her bleaching.
I don't know.
Because her bleaching reach middle.
Nedu go die.
Said I'm feeling fine. Said I feel give her belly. You know that person be saying, yours is saying, baby, just baby, you're saying. Okay.
Baby, just look at me.
Just imagine saying that you be said I'm feeling. Just the waka. Waka, come meet me. Waka, come meet me.
Waka pass your
No, Waka, I go hit you. Oh, hi, babe. How are you? Fine girl.
Touch me.
Please allow me to give you belly. Just 2.
What's it saying?
Just 2.
What's it talking about, please?
Girl,
I don't do things like excuse me.
Take it! Anyway, Derenle, very crazy human being. Now, people don't talk tired about Derenle. Whether Derenle na here day. But you tell me the things that you know about Derenle.
He used to be a good boy. So I don't know. Sometimes I did and I must say
somebody say Derenle na like Caitlyn Jenner. Say Derenle.
No, the one I hear and I say Derenle they bleach.
No, Derenle. They don't say Derenle they bleach.
I don't know.
Derenle go tell you saying they bleach. So that no.
Derenle. I hear say
No, but
Derenle.
we don't know whether they use white initials.
No, whether they say na what no, enough use the white initials.
Why?
Na Pella or Kemute.
No, maybe Pella and white initials.
Hey, that time for Big Brother, you see Beverly. You see Beverly. Hey, Bobby, show for everywhere that time.
Yes.
See Beverly, Bobby. Hi, Bobby fine, no? Hi!
You sure say not original Bobby or TV Bobby?
No, they're not the Big Brother house. You not see her naked, Beverly naked. I don't see her nakedness now. So Beverly now, you not feel hide naked. They feel as Beverly wear clothes now.
You
not many clothes that they see.
Now that nakedness when you see that time.
That nakedness.
Oh dear.
And she's a bit bath. Like Beverly's a bit bath. You don't carry soap. So. Waka.
What did we waka? What did it?
Anyway, today on top of the show, before we enter the show proper, we'll not get time at all because now full house of craze now we get today.
Now,
the house and T-bills they fight.
I don't know.
They say T-bills won't kill himself today.
Ask question
why? Say he go bridge, make he go fall inside. Why? He say, Tiwa Savage do kele love up and down. Eminado. Say plenty people don't sing that song. Two-Face, they say Two-Face. Then say Two-Face follows him. Eminado.
No, he sing the Eminado to who they sing
the song.
don't
worry. Two-Face sang to her. Eminado.
So two of them
on the issue. They say according to how it happened on the issue, Two-Face sang Eminado. They said Don Jazzy on the issue. Into sing Eminado. Say Dr. C.
So who else?
Dr. C sing Eminado.
Even Doctor.
Say other people too where they sing the same thing.
Then say.
I beg, I don't have to talk more about small chicken play. Could they come back still on top of the nice easy beat, please?
Maybe go.
My people, I carry Nedu, I throw him inside well. I carry Catherine, I throw him inside bush. We have taken over the show, ladies and gentlemen. The night show on my left. And have you seen left? Have you it's right?
I think it's right.
It's right. Okay. Wow. Oh, Lolo, you have wear blue clothes.
Yes, so
O'Shea, they said you were naked in the Big Brother house. But tell them, your market value will never run down.
Amen.
Your instrument of confusion will never depreciate.
Amen.
Beverly also in the building, ladies and gentlemen. That's how they shall. I said they pay me for this thing. To my left, oh, Lolo. Talk at them, talk them. Oh, Philly Ganga.
Oh, yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, supersonic model. Original Mami Water. You see, people like us, we used to be in the dark, but now we found lights. We rub and rub and rub. If I wipe all this thing from my face, I could be like horror film. But this one is original beauty queen. Give it up for Sarah Ophello! And then, who are the spiritual people clapping? Then we now move to this very bad sharp guy. Ladies and gentlemen, that man built the hospital he was born in. Oh, Lolo, he does not even lick ice cream. The ice cream melts in fear. Give it up for the Afro-pop artist. I have to put Bookie Wright's original Pekin. If you understand what I mean. As an entertainer, they always have plenty of children, but no. Bookie Wright said this is the signed, sealed, and delivered the original one. OJ Wright in the building! Oh, Lolo. Thank you, Ogbanjes, Winches, and people that are clapping for us. Yes, we now move to this bad sharp guy in the glasses. Yeah. This is not school for the blind, though. This is original Swagu. The one and only rap artist. A mini rap it up, packing it up, Lori Tete. The one that when he steps on stage is a stage shaker and a vocal assassin. Oh, Lolo, give it up for Bosley TD. They are clapping for us. Oh. And then we move to another very wonderful brother. Oh, the days of crisscross, naughty by nature, they have resurrected the hairstyle back. As you can see, we all have hairstyles. This is the show of the hairstyles, actually. See everybody, oh, hey. Put your hairs. Hey, put the hair on that cap now. So, talking about her, ladies and gentlemen, another bad sharp Afro-pop artist. Fine boy, only one pimple. Wow. Only one. You know, and then they fought with Tiger. That's why the jeans is torn like that. Give it up for Slim Nico! Mortuary, come and carry your people. Mortuary, cemetery, they have come. Okay.
Who be like cemetery for you? Easy me.
We are calling cemetery to come and carry you people.
Wait, how you take up for yes? I just observe. I observe quietly.
Hey, oh, no.
Nedu, go bring that stool for kitchen.
Okay,
no, go.
Sit down.
Nedu,
I will sit down back.
Now Beverly, handbag.
Where you see him?
Now Beverly.
Oh, Lolo.
Okay, carry him like carry him. If they say
no, open him. My brother inside, no open him. Your brother.
No, give me make it open.
Give me make it hold on.
It's your
What's up? What's happening? I just a market for press you.
Hey, child.
Say you not sing again. No, I sing.
And come and shoot your yash here. I can sit like this.
And
do the leg
like this. Father.
Derenle, what is the fun that I don't know.
Because you see, in Kechi's speckles that has abdominal flavor. Sorry. So I was checking the aroma of my own.
Where are they? Jesus! Hey!
Put some respect on it! Put some respect on it!
Hey!
As a follow continue na here.
Anyway, I thought I said we get craze house today. When I welcome back on something like my name and me and we all these. Oh, Jesus.
Nedu, how we go call them now? Spiritual people like me.
Beverly. You hear gossip, Derenle. But I don't tell your own gossip, Alpha. They say that because your mama they act film, now make you enter music. The first gossip. The second gossip, they say you're bleaching. It reach here. You know they're bleaching. No matter how person bleach reach, he gets somewhere where he not gonna bleach. So
but your own reach there.
That part say not go bleach. So for your own bleaching, I don't know which cream you use. Give Cynthia more than this same cream now. Make sure Hey! Back to you, baby. Where you go, come back. Which work you go do?
No, nowhere.
I know say not there Nigeria. I be Lagos. You not there Lagos. Where you go? Beverly used to talk. Where you go?
I travel.
Travel go where?
I go to Ghana.
What you go do for Ghana? I know your family not in Ghana. What you go do for Ghana? They don't know what you go do. You know what you say they do like this.
I went to possess my possession.
Wait. How you don't possess the possession? Front, back,
with my brain.
You will not make heaven.
With my brain.
You will not make heaven.
Anambra State.
You will not make
my
heaven.
brain.
One name. Anyway, all of you are welcome to the next show. Sarah, Philip, we'll start with you. You know what I will start with you? They say somebody they form you, say now you be for Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Who be that?
Oh boy.
Boy.
But wait, how boy do they form you?
This story hot
The
well.
story is long, but I don't think people have time for it.
No, talk am. What
No, you use Derenle first. Derenle, me and you.
Oh, you join me inside.
Yes, so
Put me there.
the boy they use our Derenle picture, he goes, say, come for modeling show. He would, like, he dupes people millions, so, and he takes nude pictures of the girls, like, it's deep.
So let me back and walk.
Today was actually his sentencing, so don't go and do the
Don't
work.
do the work.
Oh, they don't sentence her.
Because Sarah is a formidable force.
Gang.
And she rightfully took the kingdom violently by force.
Yes.
And treated his mess up very well.
How many years
Sarah,
they give the boy now?
I'll tell you people later. I'll tweet it. I'll tweet it.
Anyway, Purposity, what happened to you? After you sing that song one time like that, you don't get one first song like that, person not come see you again. They say market for press you. Say people not come they call you for show again.
No. I still be upcoming now.
You see, but how many years you want be upcoming? That's why for you. How many years?
But you know, people say I've been there school that time.
Purposity, they try. You sabi, you be the rap well. I'm not calling what happen.
No, I did school. I don't finish school right now.
So you don't finish school now,
Yeah,
so you can't get time for music now.
Yeah, for music.
So you get any plan for baby mama? Whiskey, the international and local. You get any plan to give anybody belly?
No, my pull-out game is strong.
The
vibration.
My brother, I guess you can people when pull out not go work for Derenle. If you want carry belly, how you go take carry belly?
As I dey wonder if I marry, if my children wake up for money, they enter room, they no go know be mommy or
Who want
daddy.
marry you?
It will shock you now.
But wait, who want marry you?
We never know. Yes, we go find them.
But she mean at one time you can disturb people for social media.
But I want to do that marry true.
You can
People know they know one person they serious.
That's what they come put in the suit for Instagram one time. Say getting ready for marriage. Who want marry you?
You won't come my wedding. You won't come shutting ration for food. Why they worry you?
Wait, who want marry?
Why they pinch you for quick?
Wait now. You just more take and say na girl you go marry.
Okay,
Now you go carry girl na one marry. She go dey ask for money for her. You self go dey ask for money for her.
We go to share her now. We go enter salon together. Now.
Exactly.
She go wear suit, I go wear wedding dress. Now I'll join her. We go battle the matter. Blood of God. Blood of God.
They go say, Auntie, welcome. They go look, Auntie, where?
The two aunties first.
Auntie.
No, the pikin go look.
Now the children, mommy.
You know today, some people have a
No,
go school. Do you know my daddy is a mommy?
No, but you know what make me like Derenle, eh? Forget Derenle, my guy. I not go like give you. What make me like Derenle be say? Derenle understand the entertainment industry, and in the follow everybody, they play everybody, and everybody they fall to Derenle Mumunes.
So they talk to say nobody really know.
Nobody know this man. Only one I know himself.
So if we go house now, become a totally different person.
This guy. This guy. I didn't tell you.
So they don't make we imagine them really now for in house. You go talk to everybody, hey, everybody. Okay. You then they go, yes, and then they go. You put your key in your lock, enter house. You off this your high shoe first. Off the hair. Then come sit down, shake head. Then they go to say, but this one we get stupid.
No, you know, somebody meet me that they say Nedu. I've been one year for BIU. You know say BIU
They
girls.
are lionesses.
Lionesses. Meanwhile, Mona, watch out. Me, Derenle, and Beverly. Now them be the new recruits. Nkechi. And Sarah. Sarah they sell market like fire.
Oh shit!
Like fire.
Hey.
You know how much you don't make from Sarah alone? From Sarah, you see, before when they talk, say, BIU,
you best in the outside university girls, Covenant girls, Babcock, say them belong on sis. Who don't know rich West here already? Instead I give from the front back. Oh my God.
Oh lolo. Meanwhile, one of them go say, Nedu, what is there? Is there really gay? I say, my sister, I will leave you just 30 minutes in the room with Derenle.
Then you will become
To find out for yourself. For a proper
Because
check-up.
my sister, I will not tell you. No, that time when you go, come outside. That time when you come outside, what happened?
No, Nedu, no, the girl be sang at the when she come outside. How will she walk when she come outside?
Hey!
Okay.
Now you
Do you need a soundtrack?
give me soundtrack. Beverly, now you be the babe. Go that side. Cause say so, babe, how far? How you are the little go now? Is it wait, make soundtrack enter?
Are you gonna bed?
So slow.
Slow on that.
Hey, you are too much.
That's the perfect one.
My sister!
How can I Derenle me?
Give me fun!
Oh lolo.
Anyway, we go back to more chicken break. We come back. We go open our phone lines. Those of now we want call to talk to Derenle, Sarah Philly. We get Mr. Bookie right here. Positive. Now your name. Shall me give you the name? Anything where I give you audition, you collect. Just collect it. My brother, you collect them first of all. You know. This one. I never want to give a name first. Then, Beverly.
No, everybody, even easy when they quiet here, we don't know all their matter because we they follow them talk on top of this show. Yes.
Easy beat. Come meet me that time. Is that Beverly? Say, hey, watch Beverly that time for Big Brother. Say, when Beverly they bath. Say,
and I remember, and I can't tell her, say, don't try. Say, Beverly, now my sister, I like her, say, my girl.
He say, positive get up for a laptop still now. Is it great now? You hear me? Is it because they say, say Beverly, say he don't eat, say at that time, you know, say they
Black
subscribe.
Beauty.
You don't go to subscribe to know, to watch extra.
Yes.
See, they watch everything. I thought that's okay, but what do you see?
He say, remember, say, easy with say, he know her every move.
Wow.
He say, how? I say, okay, how you go take, you see the body, you see.
Wazobia ready to
Scalamabush, everything. He say, you see him. I go say, okay, well, describe her to me. Say, I no go fit describe her. I can't bring down gear and pencil, gear and paper. Jesus.
Where we go?
Beverly, if you see what I say, my sister, as I look you now, I know they take lot of. I know they take. You may I give you one shoe, but you still get one.
Anyway, you don't say no the secret. Not me talk so.
All liars shall go to hell. Anyway, go back to my chicken break. When you come back, we can take on the phone calls. We don't have no one talk to all this multitude here, Legion.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.